A house in Yaripok Tulihal Awang Laikai under Andro police station caught fire last evening. The incident happened around 7:30 p.m. The cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained. A combined team of Imphal West Commando along with women constables and a column of 16 Assam Rifles arrested 2 armed smugglers from Khongampad Orchidarium last afternoon. The arrestee has been identified as Kaingam Medar Maring, age 52, son of late Korong Maring, and his wife Singlai Awong Tangkhul, age 42, of Kharung Khuno, Tengnopal district. 2 mm pistols and 1 pistol silencer were recovered from the duo. In a significant development, Environmental Force on grassroots level and Ukhrul District Working Journalists Association organized a bird watching program at Langtang Village, Ukhrul yesterday. The program was participated by BAC students of St. Joseph College, Ukhrul, members of Environmental Force on grassroots level and Ukhrul District Working Journalists Association. There has been reports of sharp decline in the number of foreign tourists to Kaziranga National Park in Assam due to coronavirus outbreak across the globe. An awareness meeting involving all stakeholders including the hotels, resorts, restaurants were organized on March 13 to describe the need of taking essential steps to prevent the spread of coronavirus in Kaziranga. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be representing India in a video conference to be attended by the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation SAARC member nations today. The meeting will be held by a video conference in a measure to promote the World Health Organization's advice to avoid public gatherings.